In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export an image from Figma. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open your browser and log into your Figma account. Once you're on your Figma home screen, you'll see a list of your files and projects. Take a moment to find the project that contains the image you want to export. When you've located it, click on that project to open it in the Figma editor. After the file loads, you'll be looking at your design canvas. Now you need to select the specific image, frame, or element you want to export. You can do this by clicking directly on the image on the canvas or by choosing it from the Layers panel on the left. Make sure you see the selection box around it so you know it's properly selected. Once your image is selected, look over to the right side of the screen. This is where the Properties panel is located. This panel shows all the settings and options for whatever you've selected. Scroll down in this panel until you find the section labeled Export. It's usually near the bottom. On the right side of that section, you'll see a small plus icon. Click that plus icon to add an export setting for your selected image. After you add the export setting, you'll see some options appear. By default, Figma usually sets the scale to 1x. This means the image will be exported at its original size. If you want a larger or smaller version, click on the 1x field and choose a different scale, like 2x or 0.5x. This is especially useful if you're preparing assets for different screen resolutions. Next, choose the file format you want. There's a drop-down where you can pick between PNG, JPEG, SVG, or PDF. PNG is great for high-quality images with transparent backgrounds. JPEG is a good choice for photos where you want a smaller file size. SVG is ideal for vector graphics like icons and logos, and PDF works well if you need something for print or sharing a whole vector shape. When you're happy with the scale and file type, click the Export button. It will say Export followed by the name of the layer you selected. Figma will process the export, and your browser should automatically start downloading the file. Once the download finishes, open your computer's Downloads folder, and you'll find your exported image ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully exported an image from Figma.